Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to McFarland House of Cars in Stratham, New Hampshire, we have the 2013 Porsche Panamera GTS. We are like in the middle of a massive, just spontaneous storm, so I'm going to try to make this real quick on the outside, but this spec is absolutely incredible, especially in the inside. I'm just going to wipe the lens, make sure you guys don't have any water. Look at this. So you have wood trim all throughout. You have the Luxor beige vents to match the dash. Luxor beige gauges. I've never even seen pictures of that. Sweet. Oh my goodness. Obviously Sport Plus. You have the valved exhaust, so we'll do closed. Reverse open. Porsche Doppelkopfgetriebe, PDK. All right, so let's see here. A little bit of intermittent wipers. I didn't know it was supposed to rain up here, so this is 100% a surprise. And this is not nice rain either. I just happened to get a gap. This is really heavy rain. Of course, being up by the seacoast, you should know that weather can change in an instant. Still have the Porsche cup holders. Oh, I love the Panamera. Such a cool little car. Well, not little, it's a full-size sedan. The spec is just so cool. It's so unique. The gauges are what set it off. I mean, once I saw it had Luxor beige gauges, I was like, okay. I know Porsche's known for their 6 cylinders. I don't care. This V8 sounds incredible. Between the intake, and the exhaust, it's just perfect. Sounds so good. Why does this sound so good? Did what I hate doing, but all right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.